Good morning, early morning believers. Those that are achievers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and it's about 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and it's Sunday morning. So I wanted to just talk about the types of people you should hang out with, and this is actually a declaration principle that I have read in a millionaire book. And this millionaire book is called Secrets of a Millionaire Mind. And if you haven't gotten this book, I encourage you guys to get this book, okay? Because it's going to teach you a lot how to think like a millionaire. All right. And how you should think successful. So I'm going to talk about that rich people always associate with positive, successful people. And that's what I want you to focus, is that you need to focus yourself in your mind and in your set goal and vision and affirmations that you say every day. You need to tell yourself, I am successful. I follow after successful people and people that are positive, people that are actually making a change in their life. If you ever notice that if you're not making any changes in your life, you need to check yourself out. Believe me, you have to take yourself aside and see what you are not successful with. Okay? So, successful people always look at other successful people. And that's how we connect. Okay, that's how we become motivated. And you have to learn the principle of motivating yourself. You got to model after successful people. All right, people that are leaders. And if you do not have a successful leader to follow, like a mentor, I have the link below that you can check out the Genie script. Wesley Virgin is my mentor, and I follow after him. I have his successful Mind Hat courses that has helped me develop my self-esteem. I'm more positive. I'm more courageous. I'm not afraid to talk in front of camera anymore. So I'm talking to you, okay? I'm talking to those that want to achieve goals. All right. If you are always negative, this video is not for you. Unless you want to do something different and you want to change your life. And if you're at the end of your, like, I had it, I need to improve myself, then I am going to change. All right? So this video is for you, okay? Because you are actually making the first step by listening to someone that is successful. And I am successful when I achieve my goals in the things that I have passion for. Okay. And Mindset Coach Laudiaann Silva's, this actually, I actually created this channel because my mentor wanted me to create something that people will follow successful people. So my mentor talks about a lot about mindset. And so, since I am a student, I created Mindset Coach Laudiaann, and it's Mindset for Success. And I just mixed it with my brand, with my crafts. I mixed it with the things I love and I enjoy. I do make side money online, and I plan to do it full time, but I'm trying to build my goal is to build my YouTube channels. Okay. Now I have another channel that's going to be monetized. This one is already monetized. Thank you for everybody subscribing to my channel. But if you want to learn how to monetize your channel, you got to learn and watch other YouTube videos, people that are successful, already making high commission, quote, quote, with the YouTube ad program. You can make actually extra change. If you need extra income coming in to help your your family, or maybe that could be a replacement of your regular job, and so I'm building mine because I'm preparing myself. By the time I retire, I should have something already established. Okay, so this is actually my first channel that is monetized, and my second one will be monetized is my crochet channel, which is Crochet with Coach Laudiaann. And you can check it out, just type it out on the YouTube search bar, Crochet with Coach Laudiaann. You can get my ideas, and you can see how I do my videos, and that channel is a little bit different. It's especially, I have 55 plus years of crocheting, so it's not really hard for me to create that channel because that's what I'm good at. But this channel, I have to always read, be educated, so I can actually model after successful people. And what they teach me, I'm passing it on to you, because that's what good content develops, when we share good content with each other, actually. So, but this video, it talks about the types of people that you should associate with. And rich people always associate with successful people. They always model after them. They learn from them. They motivate. They get their motivation from them. So you get a high energy, and you actually get really your self-esteem starts to build up, your creativity, your faith in believing things, what you're learning, because the most important thing is your mindset, is growth mindset. You always want to keep learning. Okay, if you want to be the 1%, you have to keep learning. You got to be different, and you've got to actually make up your mind. I mean, you got to decide to do what you want to do. You either going to go for it, you're either going to change your life, or you're either just going to stay where you want to be. But I'm going to tell you the key. The key is how you think and what you program your mind with. And if you are programming your mind with educational tools, and you're getting educational, following successful people online, and actually do what you can, to learn from them, and then apply those principles and model after those successful people, and really don't stop. Keep focusing, keep persistent, be disciplined with your lifestyle, have a set schedule, write your goals, write your vision. Every day you should have a journal. You should be writing it down. Okay. When you write down your journal, it actually gives you a spark of vision, of hope. Because if you don't write it down, what are you hoping for? I mean, if you don't write down what is going to apply in your life and what is good in your life, how can you know if you don't write those things down? It's just like taking notes, like you're taking notes listening to a teacher. It's the same thing. All right. How do you become successful in school? Of course, we listen to the teacher, we apply the principles, we get educated, we get knowledgeable, and the outcome, you get this reward, right? You get this diploma. It's the same thing in everyday life. You got to apply the principle, except you are your own boss. You are in control over your life, and it is what you apply, what you teach yourself. Whatever you if you feel like there's something that has really changed your life, you need to share it with other people, because maybe they are blinded in the things that they don't know that which you were blinded before. So that good news that you pass it on to other people, actually, people in general, are looking for solutions. They're looking for answers, okay? And so you need to get the answer. And the answer is read, apply education in your life. All right? If you're wanting to better yourself, you want to be a leader, you've got to get uh, a learning, enable and learning every day. Enable it, learn every day. Capture something, write something down that you've learned. All right. And then, and first of all, I always put God first. I never talk about God, but God is always first, and always pray. All right. And he's going to help you. All right. So I want everyone. Okay. I just lost my page, what I was going to talk about. So let me see if I can find that page again. Because you want to associate with positive people, and you want to avoid the bad people, okay? The bad people are the negative people. The people don't think successful. The people that want to stay dormant, don't want to change, They don't want nothing to do about education. All they want to do is talk about their life. And which gives a bad vibration, actually. Being negative is the opposite of rich. It's actually poor thinking, negative thinking, and we want to stay away from those that energy. Okay, we don't want no low self image. We don't want to be a part around that crowd of low self image, because if you are around that kind of type of people, I advise you try to avoid that, because that's going to give you a stump in your growth, in whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to as a goal. It's going to stump your growth. Stunk. I didn't mean stunk, but in the same way, yeah, stunk like a skunk, right? No, I'm being funny. All right, but you don't want to stump your growth, okay? You don't want nothing holding you back, so don't hold back. All right. And today I just wanted to talk to you guys. Keep going, stay connected with positive people, successful people online. If you get discouraged, you can just go on YouTube and just watch any video of those people that are successful, especially TED Education. That's a really, really good channel to watch, because you get to learn a lot. And Think Media too, things that you're interested in is going to motivate you. If you're starting a YouTube channel and you're connected to that certain type of niche, connect with the cooking people, connect with the people that work out channels, connect with mindset, law of attraction channels, and listen to those channels. Any motivational video, any meditation video actually is going to uplift you. All right. But there's also bad things on YouTube too. And you want to avoid bad news. You don't want to be surrounded by that. You don't want to feed your mind emptiness, things that are foolish. You got to fill your mind with wisdom. And also reading the Word of God, the Bible, will actually help you focus back in unto the Lord, and never leave God out. He's looking out for you, and just never leave him out. Always have him. If you need help, you pray, you ask God, and God will give you the answer. Some way or another, he answers you in small packages. It could be a sister coming by, somebody from your coworker that's a believer, and if you've been praying for something, somebody's going to give you that answer. It's either God himself, the Word of God, or someone that you just cross path with, right? And anyway, I just wanted to make this video, just letting you know, stick around with positive people and you're going to do just fine. All right, everyone. Thank you for stopping by at Mindset Coach Laudiaann Silvis. And actually, I have been making Yodas, okay? And actually, I uploaded a video on my Crochet Channel yesterday that I was going to start making Yodas. So I did. I'm going to just share it with you on this channel, but these are my baby Yodas. I'm not done with it, but they're baby Yodas. All right. And my customers at the craft shows, they've been requesting, do you make baby Yodas? I said, sure. I've made a lot, but they always sell really fast. So I was going to do a craft show today, but I decided, no, I'm not going to do no craft show. I need to actually make stuff so that way I have a lot of inventory. Because when your inventory goes down when you at the craft show, you're not going to make that much money unless you have the good quality things, products that people are looking for. And if you ran out, you got to make them. So this is in demand. A lot of people are looking for baby Yodas, and this is, I think it's going to be cute. I'm not done with it's almost done. I'm just going to make the cloak and then make the other one. And then I'm going to make some owls today. And also I got to finish my blanket for my granddaughter. I've got a lot of projects. I put it in little bags. So when I get tired with one, I do another one. So. But I'm going to let everybody go. Thank you for watching my video, okay? And I just wanted to upload a video because I wanted to talk to you about being positive, following after positive people. And if you don't have a mentor, click on the link below. Let Wesley Virgin be your mentor. He's a free mentor, actually. If you go to his YouTube channel, he teaches a lot about mindset for free. You can get his products too. His products are amazing. All right. The only thing about his products is a lot of upsells. If you're only focused on buying one product, of course he's gonna just show a lot of the other ones too. But that's the way that just ignore that. Just go for the product that you can afford. And the most affordable product right now is the Genie script. And if you don't know how to meditate, that's the video that you want to watch. I have the link in every video. So just go to the Genie script, watch the story about him. And it's only $34. If you want to invest in your mindset, you want changes in your life, it's actually going to break it down in audio, and you get to meditate with him, and you're going to find out that it's really good for you, because to me, it changed me. So if it has changed other people, it's going to change you too. All right. I will talk to you later. Remember to watch my suggested videos. Always watch my suggested videos, press the comment, leave a comment. Press the like button. And I will talk to you soon. Toodaloo, everybody. Bye.